Infinite Internet. Hello, how's it going? Can you tell us about your booth?
Yeah, so what we're presenting here is an infinite internet. We've hooked up a bunch of generative AI models to a couple different interfaces here. We're allowing people in different ways to interface with a cascading series of generative large language models. So here we have an old VT 520 terminal. And people are able to interact with it. They're able to execute whatever possible commands they can imagine, try and SSH into the NSA or NASA or whatever.
Really?
Try to auto-hack the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, I guess.
Can I look up a recipe?
As long as you don't get us in trouble.
Nice.
And then we have a more browser-like interface over here where we'll generate entire websites, CSS, JavaScript.
Nice.
Obviously HTML, images. Here it's a little loud, but we also generate music as needed.
So what is it? So I know different AI searches or whatever run off a different large language. What do you use?
We're using a lot of different ones, depending on the type of content and even the specific site you ask for. We have a marshaller that selects which one we want to use for the different types of content.
Oh, I was just about to ask, can it draw a picture?
Somewhat, yeah. Sometimes it'll do a little better than others. It has some difficulty sometimes generating some types of ASCII art.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to think of some war game. Let's see. And do you have to know the language?
No.
Okay, because you're typing, I'm like, I don't know how to type that.
Yeah, you can type in English, just anything you'll try to execute.
Okay, I'll try that. Let me try something. So if you hit enter, what do you get out of this?
This will generate ASCII art. And you'll see right here, it's trying to generate some text in that large ASCII font.
Oh, wow. So what does that say?
I think it says war games.
Oh, nice. That's great. All right, let me try to type something here. All right, let's see. I don't really know what. Do I hit enter now or after this? I'm not at a cursor yet. Okay, all right, there we go. Okay.
Just type in
let's see. Chat, what should I type? RM-RF? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Somebody should have typed that. Oh, did you? Oh, it knew what I wanted. It fixed me. This command will recursively remove all files and directories. Would that actually work?
No, it's an AI, so it acts like it destroyed everything. But in the end,
that's awesome. This is pretending that it destroyed everything. You're about to recursively delete everything, starting from the root directory. That's great. Perfect. All right, let me see if I can. All right, let's see.
God, it's still in the prompt.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Wait a second. Yeah.
Now. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna ask it for a recipe for a Negroni.
That's my favorite drink right there.
Hey, and that's how I like it too. Equal parts. Nice. It's a timeless aperitif, bitter, sweet, boozy in equal measure, a study in balance and simplicity, the holy trinity of cocktails. I love it. Nice. And I like that it's monochrome. That's awesome. Good job, guys. What's your booth? What's the name? Infinite Internet. Okay. Do you have a website or something? Do you have an online presence?
Not so much.
Not so much? Okay.
Yeah, we're presenting here.
And what are you going to do with this? Like, what's the long-term goal? Anything? Just fun.
We're just making stuff for the sake of making stuff.
Awesome.
It's a toy, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't need to, like, industrialize fun or just, like, sell it.
Do you take this to other places?
This is the first time.
Oh, nice. Very cool. All right, thanks, boys.
Yeah, thanks.
Have a good one. Mall. What's your booth?